Breaking news right now, the state attorney's office is accusing the Lake Hamilton Police Department in Polk County of failing to properly investigate a case of child abuse. The report goes as far as to say the police force there is unable to properly protect the citizens of that town and should be dissolved. ABC Action News reporter Adam Weiner is in the newsroom right now digging through this investigative report. Adam.
Dan, we've been digging through this report, a huge report that the state's attorney's office, from the state's attorney's office, in which the Lake Hamilton Police Department, they say, mishandled that child abuse case back in February. Doctors at Tampa General Hospital say this 1-month-old baby was injured intentionally, suffering skull fractures and a broken leg, among other serious injuries that simply could not have been caused from a child falling off a lap. But that was the reasoning that the Lake Hamilton Police Department accepted, only charging the father who was caring for this kid with a misdemeanor. And this incident, it appears, is just the tip of the iceberg, however. Also citing, this report does, a botched sexual abuse investigation of a teenager, as well as a mishandling of a death investigation. And the state's attorney's office saying this goes beyond poor investigation, sharing these images with ABC Action News of unorganized evidence lockers. In case you saw in there, even a Bud Light box being used to store things in a messy closet. The attorney's office accusing the department of having simply a lack of resources, training, competent staff, as well as competent leadership. The whole department only has 6 officers. And in all, the state's attorney's office says this department of 6 officers is just so poorly run, it should be dissolved altogether. The council of Lake Hamilton scheduled to take up the subject again at a special meeting next week. Back to you, Dan.
So, Adam, what happens if the Lake Hamilton Police Department is disbanded?
Well, one option that was being thrown out there in that special meeting that happened just last night is that the town could hire the Polk County Sheriff's Office to do their law enforcement. We're told that Polk County Sheriff Grady Judd has already offered services and is drawing up a proposal if it comes to that. And Dan, I just want to mention, we have already put this full report online. You can read it right off the homepage of our website, abcactionnews.com.